Hey everybody, and welcome back to Grey County Grilling. Chris here, and this is episode 4 of Sunday Shoutouts. And yes, I am getting it out to you on Sunday. First time since the very first one, so big thumbs up for that. Alright, let's get right to it. Channel number 1 is a channel and a person who, without the work that they've done, I don't think my channel would be as quote-unquote successful as it is, and that is Hobo Nickel Barbecue. Chris from Hobo Nickel Barbecue put together some Facebook group, and with that I have found a lot of great people and a heck of a lot of support. So you need to go and check out Chris's channel. I will have a link up here, and give him some support if you haven't already. Channel number 2 is Roundhouse Ranch Barbecue. Eric is the man behind that channel. You need to go check him out. Great guy. He's given me quite a bit of support, so give your support to him if you haven't watched him yet. So those are 2 great channels. You need to go check them out. Just going back to Chris's for a second, he has done some awesome outtake videos of some of his videos that he's worked on. They are hilarious. You need to check those out. Absolutely. That's it. Just a quick one this week, but I want to thank everyone for all of their support for my Sunday shoutouts so far. They have been pretty successful, and hopefully I have driven a little bit of traffic over to the channels that I have talked about. So everyone, thank you for watching, and please like this video. Leave me a comment down below, especially if there are some channels that I need to shout out that maybe I don't even know about, but they need some love. So give me some suggestions down in the comments below, and I will try to get to as many as I can in the coming weeks. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and share this with your friends so get the word out about these channels that I'm talking about. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next week.